Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here to show you today this 2013 Sea Ray 250 SLX we just took on trade. It's a great Sea Ray blue with a color match trailer included. This is a super clean boat. It does have the 350 mag Mercury with Bravo 3. Let's go take a look inside. Now they're up in the boat. You can see this nice pad here. It has a beautiful walkway. There is a pad that goes all the way across that you can do the full cushion. That cushion does come out as well, so you can do a step without having to touch your cushions. Nice cockpit area, helm, little sink, storage in the floor. Does have a head, very spacious. And then a big bow with seating up here. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at this boat. Thank you.